Hello, viewers all over the world. My name is Coach Shelton. So today we are going to look at a mod called Vamudara. But before you watch this lesson, make sure that you have subscribed to my YouTube channel and you have also liked the video. So let us get into the lesson straight.
So today let us look at the mod called Vamudara from the song Vamudara mapfeka manyatira kudoro mari zvepise mune mari. Right, so remember we have labeled our bottom keys. From the right we have got 1 2 3 4, then from left again we have got 1 2 3 4. Right, so let's dive deep into the lesson. Right, remember we are starting from 3 and 3, which we can call it our bridge, right, or the starting point. Right, 3 and 3, 3 from your right and 3 from your left, 4 times at a walking pace. Remember we are using the bottom keys for today. We are playing the double, or we are playing both of the keys, 3 from right, 3 from the left, together, like 4 times, like this. Right, then from 3 3 we move to 2 right, and our left will remain at the number 3, and 4 times again, like. Then we come back to the bridge, 3 and 3, 3 from your right and 3 from your left, 4 times at a walking pace. Then we move now to 3 from your right and 2 from your left, 4 times again. Right, so combining all the keys together, we are starting from 3 3. Then from 3 3 we move to 2 from your right and 3 from your left. Then from there we come back to 3 and 3, which is our bridge. Then we move to 3 from your right and 2 from your left. Remember we are playing doubles, like then 2 3, then 3 3, then 3 2. That was it for our first lesson, Vamudara mapfeka manyatera. Right, then let us try to sing it. Vamudara mapfeka manyatera kudoro mari zvepise